Hello friends, my name is Umesh Arya and I'm a teacher in Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology. Today we are going to see how we can verify some information online by using the fact-checking search engine. And this search engine is developed by the Department of CMT in our university, and it can be accessed by entering these two URLs. Like the first one is tinyurl.com/Umesh Arya fact checking. The next one is tinyurl.com/CMT fact checking. So we'll open it and see a very brief demo. But just before going to the actual thing, let me show the real concept behind this fact-checking search engine. So the first of all, it is Google powered actually. We have not used any programming concept in that because we are not the developer of the technology, but we have used the already available free tools and resources online, and this is Google powered actually. But our fact checking search engine is a specialized one instead of Google. So when you enter something in Google, so it is a very general search engine and it gives you so many informations, right? And it gives you false information, it gives you genuine information, but we are not able to identify, right, what is the genuine thing and what is the misinformation. So in our search engine, when you enter some information, then just be assured that it's a verified information, and at least you find that this information is not true because it has been debunked by some other website. So you are properly informed, because it searches the top FCN, that is International Fact Checking Network certified websites like Boom Live, Alt News, India Today, etc. So our search engine searches around 20 of the top fact-checking websites in Indian contexts. So the third one is that we have used the WhatsApp helplines mentioned websites. Like if you go to WhatsApp, and WhatsApp has helplines of the different agencies in different countries, which are helping for the fact checking. So by noting down the names of those websites, we have formed this search engine. And in the last, some similar websites suggested by reputed fact checkers, they have also been included. So overall, it is a very robust search engine, and I'm very happy to share with you that it is India's the only search engine which searches the information, as far as misinformation or authenticity of that information is concerned. So let's quickly go to the search engine, and I'll open the second link, tinyurl.com CMT fact checking. So one, it opens, and yeah, so it's a very modest kind of search engine. Like you can see that it is enhanced by Google. So let me so this is the main website, and we have kept it very simple. So if you want to search a few misinformation campaigns or the fake news related to the word employment, right? So you enter employment and just press enter. You will get so many of the results, like, or you can put it like this: unemployment. Okay, you keep on receiving many messages on WhatsApp that this website is there and you can apply on this website, and you will get so many thousands of rupees, because government is very concerned about the employment, and so kind of wrong information. So in order to find out the truth, right, you just enter unemployment, or you can say that unemployment and, for example, Bihar. So it will reduce the results now, because it is searching for the words unemployment and Bihar, and all the misinformation or fake news related to these two words, it will be displayed. And if you apply this command in title and Bihar So the Bihar word will be available in all the links, meaning thereby that all the misinformation or the fake news in which the word Bihar is there in the title of the link or title of the news, it will be available to you. So these are 2000 results, and you can go on, you know, expanding your search, for example, Bihar and violence. So like there are 677 results as far as fake news related to Bihar and violence are concerned. So as you can see that we are not getting, irrelevant information here. Every information is fact checked by top international websites. So this way you can, use this information for your research purpose, and you are, now you don't have to search lakhs of the results, but you have to keep yourself uh, limited only to the 700 or so results. Thank you so much.